on, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to verify your Payoneer account. So in this video, I've prepared 5 steps. Step number 1 is to sign up and log in. So if you haven't already, you just have to register your Payoneer account at payoneer.com. You can also log in, so you just have to access your account using your registered email and password. Step number 2 is to navigate to Verification Center. After logging in, go to Settings tab at the top menu, and then select Verification Center or look for notifications in your dashboard asking for verification. Now for step number 3 is to submit required documents. Payoneer typically requires the following: government-issued ID, it can be passport, national ID, or driver's license. And then proof of address, it can be utility bill, bank statement, or a lease agreement matching the name and address on your account. And lastly is bank account verification, if applicable only. So you may need to upload a bank statement or voided check. Now for step number 4 is to follow the on-screen instructions. Upload clear and valid documents as requested. Ensure that the details on the documents are legible, and then you just have to double check the information you've entered to match your documents. And lastly is to wait for the approval. Once submitted, Payoneer's team will review your documents, and then approval may take a few hours or a few days depending on the complexity of the verification process, and then you'll receive an email confirmation once your account is verified. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!